Hello everyone. So today is Saturday and I wanted to jump on here with this install I completed about a month ago. This client did not get extensions. She just got the microlock twists, which is two strand twisting and then interlocking the roots. She had really fine hair, but it was a lot of it, and super curly. She just came back for her most recent, well, she just came back I think a few days ago for her first retie, and her hair is aging beautifully. So I'm just going to give you a few tips with doing a regular install like this. I would say if you're starting out doing micro locks on other people, that you should start by doing just simple installs like this. And I mean simple meaning not extensions, because extensions add a whole nother layer of thought. But this is pretty simple. You map out your grid, and then you part accordingly and follow the lines that you have in place, and go ahead and two strand twist, and then interlock it. Now I don't twist really tight, so it's not like a Senegalese twist or a really tight twist. It's a loose twist, and then I interlock the roots, kind of just let the hair kind of free fall for the most part. Let me see, can I think of any other questions? One thing about installing these kind of micro locks on any client, whether it's this kind without extensions or with extensions, you want to make sure you're giving your client the best information. I've had a client come to me this past week. They got an install, and she wasn't really clear on the size she wanted, and she wasn't clear what she needed, and her hair was really fine, so I suggested the medium large size, and we did that, and it came out beautiful. So long term, she'll have a more stable look, and her locks will be more manageable because she came from Kentucky, and she'll be probably maintaining them herself. So I was happy to help her get to what she's comfortable with, so that she can be at a point to where she is maintaining them herself. Some tips I give clients when I just do an install without extensions: I suggest they don't wash their hair for however long it is they come back to me, which is normally, without extensions, about 4 weeks. But if they absolutely need to, I tell them to braid it and band it and wash it. This client has washed her hair twice since she came back for her retie recently, and yes, she had a lot of hair out around the edges, but everywhere else on her head was pretty intact. So she did a good job with braiding and banding. So you just want to make sure you make that clear when talking to your clients, that you can wash your hair, but you just got to take precautions, because honestly, I don't really want to tell people don't ever wash your hair, because things happen. You work out, you go places. It's now becoming the summer, and it's going to be dirt flying everywhere, and it's not realistic. So do the best you can and give the best advice you can give. Let's see what else. I've also I recently watched this live where a loctician mentioned that they don't believe spraying your hair daily with water is hydrating it, and I thought it was super interesting, because her advice, mind you, she was talking about traditional locks. To my knowledge, she was talking about traditional locks, but it's interesting first to hear other locticians' ideas and experiences, and how they like to frame things, because honestly, when you look at other locticians, their clients are thriving with what they're telling them, and then you have clients that are thriving with what their loctician is telling them. So if you're looking to get into hair and you feel like you just can and you don't know anything, it's honestly teaching yourself as you go, and then doing what you feel is best, whether you need to use somebody else's techniques first and then start to trim them around the way you're comfortable, or if it's the other way around, you want to just completely make up your own way of doing things, and it can work for your client. So I think that's a great thing to know and to learn, because I used to always think with one hairdresser says is like, that's gold and that's what it needs to be. And then you meet so many different people with so many different hair textures, hair journeys, feelings, lifestyles, and it's just like everything doesn't work for everybody, and you really got to work with your clients. I have some clients who use water daily to hydrate their locks and feel like they're soft and they're locking and they're hydrated, and other clients like, okay, I need something stronger than water, it's not working, it's drying it out. So then we try different things. So I say all that to say, be confident in your skills, whether you're doing your own hair or doing someone else's. Do all the research you possibly can and then shape it to what's good for your hair and your lifestyle, because everything isn't the same for everyone. But at this point, I've been talking for about 5 minutes, so I'm done. If you have any questions about this install, please leave them below. I am currently working through comments as we speak, so I will do my best to catch up. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one. The next one's going to be a good one. It's coming next weekend. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be whole, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them, be my ride.